Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are building with large language model in 2025, you have probably heard about LlamaIndex and LangChain. But the big question is, which one should you use? Which one should is best for you? So are they really that different or they can be used together? Stick around because today we are breaking it all down. No confusion, just real talk about these frameworks, do where they shine and who should you use. So first let's take a quick overview of both. Alright, so both LlamaIndex and LangChain are open source frameworks made to help developers like us build apps that use LLMs like GPT-4 or cloud. But they serve different purpose. Like for example, if we talk about LlamaIndex, it's all about search and retrieval. Think of it like a super smart librarian that finds exactly what you want or what AI models need. If you talk about LangChain, LangChain is, on the other hand, is more like a toolkit for building complex AI workflows, like chaining prompts, managing memories, integration, APIs, the whole deal. Now, let's deep dive into the LlamaIndex. So, what is it? How it works? So, just let's talk about if your app needs to pull the right piece of data from. So let's talk about some feature. It creates custom indexes from docs, website, database, whatever data source you want. It uses vector embedding to improve semantic search, and it optimizes the retrieval information fast, which is crucial if you are building something like document search tool or an interknowledge base. Now here where it is a bit limited, it's laser focused on retrieval. So you won't find uh, fine tones of tools of chaining prompts or complex workflows. But if speed, structure, and search are your priorities, then LlamaIndex is absolutely crush it. Now let's dive deep into the LangChain. What is LangChain and how it works? So basically, LangChain is kind of like a Lego set for building AI apps. You can plug in APIs, chain multiple steps together, and handle user memories. It's built for flexibility. So let's talk about the features. You can build multi-step reasoning workflow like a chatbot that asks follow-up question based on user inputs. And the second is input. It supports context retention, so your AI doesn't forget what happened earlier in the conversation. So it's a super useful thing, and it comes with a suite of tools for document parsing and API calls and more. So yeah, if you are building AI agents, customer support bots, or automation tools that needs to think through problems, LangChain gives you all the power and freedom. But fair warning, it has a steeper learning curve. All the flexibility comes with the complexity. So let's quick put them head to head. So for example, if your primary focus is search and retrieval, you can go for Llama Indexer. If your primary focus is for flexible LLM powered application development, you can choose LangChain. So you can just compare these all of the features by just just comparing with each other. Just pause the video and you can just compare Llama Index with LangChain or vice versa. So use cases, I have added the performance as well, high speed data retrieval, efficient handling of complex workflow. So you can use that for. So the question is, can you use both? Now here is a fun twist. You don't have to choose just one. In fact, Llama Index and LangChain can work together beautifully. But for example, you use LlamaIndex to quickly retrieve the right data from your docs, then hand it off to LangChain to guide the conversation or call APIs or continue the workflow. It's like pairing a smart researcher with a talented speaker. One finds the info, the other delivers the other one is delivers in the style. So final opinion of mine is to uh, why you should choose LlamaIndex. If you need blazing fast retrieval from large data sets, if you are building a semantic search engine knowledge based on internal tools, or you want something that's easy to plug into your apps, then choose LlamaIndex. If you need or orchestrated complex workflows, your app relies on context retention, memory, or multiple state logic. If you want if you want to build something like a chatbot or AI assistant or automated agent, you can go with LangChain. So if you found this video informative, or you can give us a feedback how we can increase our quality, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.